Mozart, Prince, Johnny Cash, the Beatles, Ray Charles, all great musicians, but they got their musical start somewhere. The playground, maybe? It's possible the next great musician could get their first taste of music thanks to AAA State of Play. This is our 15-key Metallophone. Let's take a listen to each note and then we'll talk more about it. The 15-key Metallophone has all the right notes for playground play and for musical play for ages 2 to 12. It's pretty compact, 24 inches high and 53 inches long, and is always in stock. It has 4 attached mallets, I have 2 here, encouraging children to play solo or together. The Metallophone improves motor skills, hand-eye coordination, works the upper body, and who knows, improves a child's musical skills. You can play loud and proud for the whole playground to hear. Or start slow and soft and build coordination and confidence. Energy, creativity, rhythm, and coordination makes for some beautiful music and more fun on the playground.